Hi, I'm Haley Menard from The Sugar Burger, and today we are hitting the last of our summer sip sweet series with an Italian classic, tiramisu. And what better to pair that with than an espresso martini? Got similar ingredients, so let's get all buzzed up and get to baking.
Buzzed up.
Buzzed.
Oh.
Whoa. It wouldn't be a summer sipper episode without a cocktail. Tiramisu has a lot of the same ingredients as an espresso. I got too excited. An espresso martini. And you know what? It's been like a whirlwind getting ready for this episode, so I think we drink first. Okay, are you gonna show people how to make an espresso? You love that.
No, that's your thing.
No, what? You make us coffee every morning.
Oh.
The actual espresso.
There's no more beans.
No, there is beans. I grated them, ground them. They're ready for you. So we do a double shot of espresso. Nate, you have to do it. She has to see you do this.
Okay.
And talk about it.
Mix up the grounds so they don't get stuck together.
Show them your little tool.
Put my little thing on.
Yeah.
That's a lot of coffee grounds.
That's what you have it set to.
So you just mix it up. You do a little mixing so that you don't get any clumps. You don't want any clumps in there. So Haley forces me to make her coffee every morning.
That's what you want to say? Enjoy not getting fed all week for that comment.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna pull a double shot out of here for a martini. The internet's gonna rip you apart for this. Oh my God, I can't believe you did that like that. Just wait, you're done. You're cooked.
I don't care.
You're gonna be canceled. They're all gonna be talking about you on a Reddit thread.
Cancel.
All right, she's espressoed. Good job, Nate, you did a good job. All right, we're gonna fill our shaker with ice. And yes, this is still hot, but I think it's fine. We do equal vodka. We do Kahlua, but people choose a lot of different things at this phase. You do you. And I just pour this in here. And I know it theoretically shouldn't be hot, but like we don't have all day. Why don't you shake it? It's more of a guy thing. Wow, flair. Let's pour it in there. Yeah, careful, careful. We don't put Baileys in it because we're not children. And that's it. Do you want to take a summer sip?
Yeah.
Okay.
A summer sip.
Did you just do a weird cheers to the camera?
I did.
Edit that out, Susan.
That's good.
Yeah, I'm happy with it. Very pleased. Good summer sip.
Thanks. Good job.
All right, on to the dessert part. The sweet in the sweet summer sipper series. And we're gonna start whipping some cream. This is like a very easy shortcut tiramisu, but I find it to be delicious. You know, some people, if you're making it a more traditional way, you're getting eggs involved and whatnot, but the ducks have the day off today. So we're going to whip up 1.5 cups of heavy cream. I'm not gonna spill it. I'm not gonna spill it. How did it go? Is there some on the front? No, I did. Wow, that was good. Oh! And the 1/2 cup, not a drop wasted. We're gonna turn this on and you're literally looking for like whipped cream consistency. When you see it start to thicken a little bit, you're gonna gradually add 1/3 cup of sugar. But we're not there yet. I was just giving you a warning about what was gonna happen. Still going. Still liquidy in there. It's starting to thicken up a little. Look at it, it's starting to thicken right up. Oh, now it's thickening too fast. It's going too fast. We're really starting to thicken, so we're just gonna gradually add our sugar. Aggressive, but it's like stuck. I'm gonna turn it off for a second, because if you go too far, it turns into butter. Those are the stages of dairy. Cream, whipped cream, butter, teaspoon of vanilla. Give it one more zhuzh. And there it is, whipped cream. I feel like I told this story already, but I did once have a boyfriend where I was saying I was gonna make whipped cream. He was like, what? I thought you needed a factory to do that. But it's just like the recipe's in the name. You don't need a factory, you just need to whip some cream. And then we're going to add to this 8 ounces of mascarpone cheese, room temperature, big important part of tiramisu. Out of play. All right, and we're gonna fold it in. So scrape around, cut down the middle. Scrape around, cut down the middle. Folding until it's toothily combined. This is gonna be our delicious filling. This is the best part of tiramisu, if you ask me. I could just eat this, honestly. All right, that looks like one cohesive like thing now, so I think we're good. Now for the coffee part. Ready. We have in this bowl 1.5 cups of espresso made from that very machine that Nate used, but he didn't help me with this. I did this all on my own. 1.5 cups of espresso cooled down because you don't want to melt your cream that you're going to layer it with. And we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of Kahlua. Some people use brandy, some people use rum. And I realize Kahlua is indeed a product of Mexico, but that's what's great about America. Italian dessert, Mexican influence, fusion, baby. So 3 tablespoons. 3 liberal tablespoons. Just gonna give that a little zhuzh around.
Oh.
You liked your sipper? Still good?
Still good.
All right, good. Thanks for checking.
Yeah, no worries.
Now we're gonna layer these lady fingers with the cream. We're gonna dip them in our espresso Kahlua mixture, and they're gonna soak it up real quick. So don't leave them in there too long or they're just gonna like turn into sponge. Store-bought cookies. I guess you could make them, but in the words of the Barefoot Contessa, store-bought's fine. Legend. So we give them a little dip and we start setting them in. You're gonna be amazed how much liquid these guys suck up. This whole thing is gonna be gone. Ah, those are in there too long, they fully sank. Oh, poor babies. Oh, see how quick? That was like seconds. It's crazy how porous these guys are. You move quick. They don't fit perfectly, just like jam them in there. No one's gonna know. And if someone really comes over your house and you're giving them tiramisu and they're like, it looks like you just jammed those cookies in there, you don't have to talk to them anymore. So we're going half of our mascarpone and whipped cream mixture. It's like half-ish. You could weigh it if you wanted to be like perfect about it. That's up to you. I don't judge. Beautiful. All right, next layer. Okay, good. Looks like we're running low. Let's just get a little, don't do that at home. That was crazy, but I mean, desperate times. People are gonna get a bite and be like, wow, what was that? Why do I feel fun and frisky all of a sudden? Last 2. I feel like Kahlua is not that aggressive of a alcohol to do that with. Yeah, they used up all of it. Isn't that crazy? Little sponges. And the rest of our cream. All done. Here's the thing. She doesn't bake. She chills. So you're gonna wanna do that for at least like 3-4 hours, ideally overnight. So we just gotta throw her in the fridge and we'll do some time machine magic for you. We'll do a fridge walk, but you can't look in the fridge. You know the rules. All right, this tiramisu has been sleeping. It might've changed outfits in the morning or something. I don't know what happened, right? Chilled for like 3-4 hours overnight. And now it's gonna get a little dusting of cocoa powder. I feel like this is what makes it fancy. So you're gonna use your sieve, just kind of evenly zhuzh around till the top is covered in cocoa powder. Bada bing! Got all her eyeshadow on, ready to go. Okay. This is ready, so we're gonna have to get our taste tester in here, and hopefully he's buzzed up enough on this martini to get us a good review. Okay, we're ready. Yeah, come on in. Hi, welcome back.
Hi.
Here's our beautiful tiramisu. What do you think of her?
Looks good.
Does it look like what you know a tiramisu to be?
Yes.
Okay, well, that's a start. Here's your fork.
Okay. Let's try this first.
Oh, sure, yeah, cleanse the palate.
Yeah.
Dripped a little.
Did I get it on me?
No, I think you're okay.
I do love tiramisu, so.
Yeah, do a big bite.
Yep.
Is it good? You love it? What rating would you give it in Italian?
I don't know Italian.
It's a 1, 2, 3.
What's the higher numbers?
10 is 10. Give it a 10.
10.
It's bellissima. I love it. All right, I'm gonna give it a try.
That coffee comes through a lot. That's like dripping off the bottom. I like it.
It is good. It is good. High five. Come on, you can do it. Thank you. All right, we did it.
You did a good job this time.
Thank you. All right, I'll sign off with my my one Italian phrase I remember from my high school teacher.
Okay.
Sei la mia stella. That means you are my star. Yeah, but you should say that to me. I'm the star, and this tiramisu is a star.
Cheers.
You did it again. You awkwardly cheers the camera.
That was my signing out. Cheers.
Okay.
I'm out. Ciao.
Ciao, ciao, ciao.
Ciao, ciao.
Don't say anything about your nuts anymore.
Oh, Haley, this is all wet. You could clean that up later.
Oh, thank you.
I hope Nico doesn't eat the egg.
Oh, look at him. Look at him. He is moving it around with his nose. Oh, he stopped. He heard me say, look at him. There's a little outstanding cheese right there. Get her in. I'll give you a rest.
Oh,
That was to give you a rest.
okay. There's more than one layer.
There's more than one layer. I do judge. That was a huge lie. I guess you shouldn't try to be a daredevil like I am and do more than one at a time.
Quick outfit change. Go, go, go.
I know. What was I thinking?
I don't know.
Let me look at it. Oh, fuck! We're screwed. Oh,
Bubble over?
I don't know. Okay. I like to shock and delight.
Heavy breathe.
Are you ready?
Me?
What?
With Professoressa Dario.
I didn't know. You never told me that.
Dude, you're learning so much tonight. It's crazy.
Okay.